Hi, this is Misty, and today we're going to talk about business planning workshops.
Hi, I'm Misty SOLDwisch, and I've been successfully selling real estate since 1999. Find out my secrets on how you can do your best with Be Better DSM.
Hello, this is Misty SOLDwisch from Be Better DSM. Recently, we launched our first in the series of upcoming business planning workshops. It was a fantastic experience where 10 agents from different companies got together for 3 hours, and we talked about the 6 key pillars of building a successful real estate business. That included lead generation, lead conversion, listing presentations, buying presentations, transaction management, and reviews and referral systems. Our agents' experience range was anywhere from 3 months to 18 years. And we talked about different ways to approach things, the methods that I have used in my business to be successful, and then different ideas that they've had, and really had a great collaboration on ways that we could approach things. The session is designed to be collaborative and fun and give you some tangible tools that work here in this local central Iowa market that can help you have a successful year. So if it seems like something that you might be interested in, then be sure to sign up for one of our upcoming events. And remember, it's important in this busy real estate world that we're in to take time to not just work in your business, but work on your business. And when you do that, we all can be better.